Today, I'll show you how to fix a compromised site issue in Google Ads. A compromised site warning means Google believes your landing page may contain hacked content, malware, suspicious redirects, or unsafe code. Google recommends checking the disapproved ads, reviewing the policy reason, scanning the website, removing malicious content, and then submitting an appeal. First, open Google Ads and log in to your account. Go to Campaigns, then Open Ads. Add a filter for policy details and look for ads disapproved for compromised site. Open the policy details and check whether Google shows a specific suspicious domain, script, or URL. Now go to your website, update your content management system, themes, plugins, and extensions. If you use WordPress, remove unknown plugins, check recently modified files, and scan your site with a trusted security tool. Next, open Google Search Console. Select your website property, then go to Security Issues. Google says Search Console can help identify malicious software and other security problems on your site. Also check your website with Google's Safe Browsing Site Status tool. If your site is flagged there, fix the issue first and request a review in Search Console. Now check your landing page manually. Make sure it does not redirect users to another strange domain. Check your tracking links, pop-ups, scripts, forms, and third-party plugins. If you are not technical, ask your web developer or hosting provider to scan the server and clean any infected files. After the site is clean, return to Google Ads. If you edited the ad or final URL, save the ad again so it can be reviewed. If the ad is still disapproved, open the policy details and click Appeal. Choose Made Changes to comply with policy, then submit the appeal. Google says it may take up to 72 hours to recrawl and review the landing page, and that's it. You now know how to fix a compromised site issue in Google Ads. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.